Give me some minutes and I will show you how the bank is making money off your money and how you can beat them at their own game. Every time you leave money in the bank thinking you are saving, the bank smiles. Because while your money sleeps, theirs is working. And when I mean theirs, it's actually the one you left there, right? Banks in Nigeria are legally allowed to invest and make money from a large portion of the money you deposit, while you earn almost nothing in return. So what if you started doing what the bank does? What if your money didn't just sit, but worked just like theirs, making you crazy money in return? This is what the rich have hacked and are using to get richer. Why the everyday man is there enriching the banks? Well, not anymore. Money cheerleader got here. If you're meeting for the first time, I'm financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. On this community, we're all about the money, finance, investments, side hustle, passive income. If that's the kind of things you like to hear, hit that subscription button right away. So first, let's talk about how the banks make money off you. Let's break it down. If you deposit, let's say, 100,000 naira into a Nigerian bank, the bank doesn't keep all that money just sitting there waiting for you. Nah. By the regulation from the CBN, commercial banks are required to hold a fraction of the deposit as cash reserve. Currently, the cash reserve ratio is about 50%, right? So this means that you deposit 100,000 naira, only 50,000 is kept with the central bank. Now, the remaining 50,000 can be given out as loan or invested by the bank to generate profit. Then they turn around and pay you like 2%, 3%, or even nothing. Whereas they've made a lot of money from your money. They can even earn up to 20% or even more using your money. Let that sink in. So what can you do instead? If the banks are investing to grow your money, why aren't you doing the same? Let's flip the script, because you can't be a member of this finance family and you are still dulling, not under my watch. I'm so happy that many of our community members are already investing and building their wealth. Let's look at a few. Chike said, yes, through your channel, I invested 3 million in government savings bond in 3 different months. Big investment for you this year. Love your channel. Amazing. Well done, Chike. So this person said, good evening, our cheerleader. How are you? I forgot to tell you, I received dividends for the shares I bought for my kids. I watched your YouTube video on shares and practice with it. The dividend isn't much though, since it was testing I did as a newbie. But I was so excited. Chai, I'm doing it big now, not turning back. Big woman. Amazing. Now she said, this is just to appreciate you for the great work you are doing. I'm now a beneficiary of your teachings. God Almighty bless you. Thank you, really. Bless you too, my sister. Let's look at this one. A newly minted a millionaire. So she said, guess who made her first million in his savings and investings? Thank you, Lord. Amazing. Congrats. Now, this one said, good evening, billionaire investors. I'm so happy I saw my dividend from Fidelity Bank sitting pretty in my account. Thanks, financial Jennifer and crew. I love you. I love you. Oh, okay, the last one. So this one said she started with, let me paraphrase. She started with, I was looking at my portfolio, started with 700K. It's now in the region of 10 million naira. Awesome. Amazing. Listen, you are next. I don't want this video to be too long. I already have many previous videos on different investments, but let's look at 3 options you can start right away. So I'm going to start with my favorite investment, stocks. We'll look at Nigerian stock, as we've been getting so many interest from my previous videos, seeing how well Nigerian stocks have been performing and making us so much money this year. So when you invest in stocks, you are keen into these companies. You are buying a stake. You automatically become a part owner of that company. So if they're making profit or loss, you are going to partake in that. So all these big companies you hear, MTN, Zenith Bank. Oh, speaking of MTN, can you remember earlier this year or even from last year, I kept talking about MTN. That time the price dropped to like 170, 180. January, it was that kind 200. Right now, in fact, as at the close of business yesterday, MTN was at about 470 naira. The MTN that all of you are complaining, oh, data is finishing my money. Even Airtel, all these stocks have done well this year, but you do not know. You didn't invest in them. Don't worry, we can start now. So when you invest in these companies, right, you are not doing it for free. You are going to get something in return. 2 ways you're going to make money is, number one, dividend payment, right? Some companies this year, in fact, so many Nigerian companies this year have paid off dividend. There is Dangote, there is UCAB, there is Stanbic, there is Zenith, Fidelity, GTCO. So many companies have been paying us dividend, and our community members have been celebrating that. right? So that's one way you make money. But that is not even the cocoa. In fact, that's even the minor one. The one I'm really more interested in is in the value appreciation. So this is when you invest in a company. The expectation is that the price will continue to grow. The company will continue to do well, right? I just give you an example of MTN. We bought in the January period, it's like 200, right? But right now it's like 470 heading to 500. The same way I've told the story of how I bought my Zenith Bank. Back then was 20 naira. Right now Zenith Bank is 70 something naira. Last year, you remember when banks did this public offer, I did so many videos about it. Banks like Fidelity, we bought it at 9 naira. Right now Fidelity is over 20 naira. That is where the money is. This year, this bank, some not even just banks, some Nigerian companies have returned over 200%. You watched my previous video now where we had the number one, Better Glass, that have returned over 400% this year alone. But you and I, some of you are still leaving our money. I do in the bank. The banks take this money. They go out there, they make this money. No, you are going to be doing that starting from today. And that, don't tell me that you don't know how. I have so many videos here. But even those ones aside, that is what we are doing this Saturday. Yes, this Saturday that is coming now. Operation Become an Investor and Earner in the Nigerian stock market. Yes, we have a workshop coming up where I will hold you by hand, step by step. You will see me, the account creation. You will see me buy this stock, show you how the platforms work, show you how to buy, show you how to sell, give you a list of recommended stock you can key in. Wait, were you a part of our January workshop where I gave you a list of some stock? Go and check those stocks now because we are in money. I remember which one, it was this CWG we bought like 6 naira. When I recommended it in January, it was like 6 naira. Right now it's about 17 naira or thereabout in just 7 months. And that list came from Coach Oge. Coach Oge is coming again on Saturday. If you have not joined that workshop, what are you waiting for? I mean, they like too much money. So to start investing in stock, basically you just need a platform. Whether you are in Nigeria or you are in diaspora, there are different platforms you can use for Nigerian stock. There is Afrinvest 2.0, and that's the one we are going to be practicing on Saturday. So if you are joining us in that workshop, which you should have Afrinvest 2.0. I already dropped all the details on the Telegram group for the workshop, what you need to do, what you need to sign up and all. So you need Afrinvest 2.0, or you need Bamboo. Bamboo also have Nigerian stock. There is also Trove. Yeah, Trove also has Nigerian stock. And in fact, many of the stock brokers, many of the investment banks here in Nigeria, most of them have their own platform. So if you're already dealing with anyone, ask them. They probably have a platform you can log in, sign up. You just need your KYC, your utility bill, your ID card, proof of address and stuff like that. And you are good to go. Anyway, more on that later, because once you create the account, they'll create CSCS for you, which we've mentioned before. And part of the things we are doing in this workshop is to help our people that will sign up, to generate this CSCS, because that's sometimes is what gives them issue. But we're going to be assisting you to do that. The link to join the workshop will be on the description, or just comment investor. Comment investor, I will send you the link to join. So that is number one investment you can start today, investing in stocks. Number two is government bonds or treasury bills. In this one, you are investing with the government and the risk level is lower. Whereas you might make more money from stock, but remember, more risk, more reward. Stocks and essence have some level of risk, and those are the things I will break down and guide you on Saturday, so you're not going in blindly. But if you're looking to play it safer with Nigerian bonds or with government bonds, I mean with treasury bills, those ones you have a fixed returns. We have detailed videos on this community before now on this too, and I'm going to link it on description, because with things like savings bond, it happens every month, right? If you recall, almost every month I make videos on that whenever it opens, or make a post whenever it opens to notify you. So with savings bond, you are investing with the government. It's like a savings program. I think the one for last month, the rate was like up to 16% or thereabout, right? And each one you invest in, you'll be paid every quarter. That means 4 times in a year. And remember what I told you before, if you are able to invest at least like 3 times, hey, every single month, government will be paying you, right? In fact, I will link the detailed video I already have on this savings bond on the description so that you can watch it in details, right? Again, there is treasury bills. This one now, with as little as 100,000 naira, you can invest. Savings bond is 5,000, right? But treasury bill, you need, like, for most houses, like 100,000. It's still lending money to the government. It can be for like 6 months, but less than 1 year. Whereas savings bond is longer term. Savings bond is like 2 years or 3 years. Treasury bill is shorter term. 1 year, 6 months, 3 months. It's up to you. You decide. So you lend money to the government. At the end of the day, you get back your money with your interest. So to start up with treasury bills, there are some platforms you can also use. You can as well use Afrinvest 2.0. Bamboo also have treasury bill, right? Some of these platforms have treasury bill, or even your bank. Yes, sometimes you can walk to your commercial bank and talk to them about treasury bills. Some banks help to process it. That is it on that one. And then the third investment I'm going to recommend today is mutual funds. So this one is like a pool of different funds. You are handing your money, we come together, we hand our money over to like the experts. They take this money, they go out to invest in different things, different types of mutual fund. Remind me, I think I'm owing us a video on how to invest through Stanbic IBTC. Please, I'm going to do that video, right? So with mutual fund, there are different options. The one we usually talk about, the one I usually encourage beginners, is the money market mutual fund, because that one, your capital can't, it's hard, it can't go below, it can't drop below, right? Because it's investing in things like treasury bill, commercial paper, things that have a fixed return, right? I think since last year, money market mutual fund have been doing so well, as high as 20%. But the one we tend to be sleeping on, equity mutual fund. So these ones are the ones that invest in stock. And because the stock markets have been doing so well this year, equity mutual fund have been doing amazing. I think as at last year, we bought a unit of that equity fund, the one on Optimus. If you use Optimus by Afrinvest, the equity mutual fund that is AEF, Afrinvest Equity Fund, right? As at last year, it was like that, I think 300 or something naira. Right now, it's like 500 and something. Hey, God. But with this one, your money can dip because it is tracking the stock, and stocks can go up or come down. The same way the prices can go up or come down. So you can see 100K today, tomorrow you can see 90K. It happens. So the same way that you can come tomorrow and you see over 150K. I think in the last 1 year, that particular mutual fund have done over 100%, right? So why do you key into mutual fund? For most platforms, with as little as 5,000 naira, you can start. So there's Optimus by Afrinvest, there's Cowring Wise, there is many platforms. I think Emerging Wealth, many platforms have mutual fund on their platform. I also have a detailed video about this mutual fund. I'm going to link it in the description for you as well. So how can you have all of these options and you are still leaving your money in the bank? See, every time you leave your money in the bank doing nothing, you are handing it over to someone else to use while you struggle. You like that? The smart ones are flipping the script, and this is exactly what we shall be doing inside this our workshop happening on Saturday. That's August 2nd. It's called Become an Investor and Earner in the Nigerian Market. It's like a hand-holding workshop because I will walk you step by step how to invest smartly and make money from this market, including a list of winning stocks you can invest in. See, even if you've never invested before, even if you have only 10,000, 50,000, however amount you have, we are in the time where ordinary people can become millionaires from the stock market. In fact, I don't want you to miss this, right? I don't want you to miss it. Click the link on the description or comment investor and I will send you the link. See you on Saturday so that we can have a real-time interaction, ask your questions and all that. Let me know in the comments, have you invested in any of this before? If not, why not? You should join us on Saturday. Comment investor, and then remember to go through the description to see the previous videos that walk you step by step on some of the investments we've mentioned today. See you on Saturday, my fellow investor.